Hello friends, this is Mr. Vayana, a grade 7 teacher, which is called at Spring of Life Christian School, First Timothy. And today we have a specific class that we're going to learn again, which is in language arts conjugation. We are talking about English tenses. You know how tenses are very important to each one of us in order to speak very well, in order to communicate with people. Even when we are praying, we need to use mostly verbs so that we can call upon the name of the Lord. So today we are going to deal with the past continuous. And in this past continuous, as the example which is on the board here, I would like one of you to read the example which is written over there. Yes, my friend over there. Very good. He was working hard. He was working hard. If you try to analyze the sentence which is written here, he was working hard, what do you notice? What is the first element that we have there? Yes, thank you very much. Subject. And the following element, what is it? Yes, was. Okay, what is was? Okay, very good. The past of to be. And the following here, working. What is working? The main verb. Okay, thank you very much. So if you want to form the past continuous, you need to use the subject plus the past of to be, which is was or were, plus verb in ing form. When you use that combination, you are going to get a good outcome. And so, why do we use the past continuous, what we call again past progressive? So, first of all, we use the past continuous in order to describe a continuous action in the past. But here we are not interested in the beginning or end. What is important here is to know that an action took place and it was a continuous action. What is the example written here on the boards? Can somebody read that example? Very good. Over there, we say he was resting all the afternoon. All the afternoon he was there, only resting. We don't know. It was at 1 p.m. to, we don't know. But all the afternoon he was resting. So, another option, another use of a past continuous is it describes two simultaneous actions. Two simultaneous actions. Two simultaneous action means two parallel actions. Two parallel action means two actions taking place at the same time. So here we have an example like he was reading his novel while I was mending his socks. So I was mending his socks, but there he was not there. He was only reading his novel. So this is two parallel actions. And another example that we have is to describe a continuous action but interrupted by a specific a specific action. What is it? Students were talking when the principal came into the room. So there, they were talking because the principal was not there. But once the principal came into the room, did they continue to talk? No, they stopped talking. So the action was interrupted with another action. So that is very, very important when you are using the past continuous. First of all, we said we use it in order to describe a continuous action in the past, but we are not interested in the beginning nor end. What is important is to know that an action took place in a period of time in the past, and it describes also a simultaneous action, I mean parallel actions. And it describes also a continuous action, but it was interrupted by a specific one. And then we are going to go with the exercise. You know that we have exercise, your exercise here, that you are going to see it in your platform where you are going to solve and send me back. So, thank you very much, dear brothers and sisters, dear students of grade 7. I would like to advise you, because during this period of lockdown, you're supposed to keep a distance of 1 meter with your friend. You're supposed to wash regularly your hands, and you're supposed to cough in your elbow so that you can avoid this pandemic that's destroying the world. Thank you very much.